Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Lego Aston Martin. It comes with 97 pieces. This is how the back looks like. And yeah, let's open it. So you could open it anywhere you want. I'm just going to open it. So guys, this is all the pieces. This time there's no bag numbers because there's so little bit of pieces. So this is the instructions. It's not that big. And here's a bag of pieces. And let's see what's in here. Oh, it's the stickers. So these are the stickers. And throughout the video I'll be showing my progress throughout how I'm gonna build this. So I hope you enjoy. So guys, I'm finally done building the Aston Martin Speed Champions Lego set. This is how the car looks like. Looks pretty cool. And I really love the design for it being 97 pieces. It looks very cool. This time it doesn't come with the Lego person or figurine because it's so small. And here's a size comparison to a normal Speed Champions Lego set. It's a very big difference. And yeah, I really love building it. It took me about 15 minutes to build it. And I really love the design of the tires too. They put so much detail into it. I really love it. And this is one of my favorite cars. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed. Bye.